Hey guys, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to make your audio public on your Roblox. Hey guys, so how to make your Roblox audio public. So you should first to go to roblox.com. You should do this on your browser because on your mobile app it won't work. Next is press on create at the top as you can see. Right here, you can see a dashboard on the top again. Create on dashboard. Next, under creation, we have these four categories. Then tap on development items. From here, under there, we can see another category. Tap on the audio. Then upload an asset. So right here, you can upload your audio right here. Upload it. And then note that only audios under 6 seconds can be public if you're not in the ID verified program. So better verify your ID, and longer audios stay private unless you're part of Roblox's approved creators. Now, click upload. Then in the settings under privacy, you need to set it on public. And that's how you make your audio public on your Roblox.